If you're using Klaviyo but not tracking revenue correctly, you're basically guessing what's working. In this video, I'll show you how to track e-commerce revenue in Klaviyo step by step in 2026, so you can see exactly what's driving sales. All right, first things first, revenue tracking only works if your store is connected properly. Check that your e-commerce platform integration is active and syncing orders. If data isn't flowing in, nothing else will be accurate. Now, quick clarity. Klaviyo tracks revenue when a customer clicks an email and then purchases within the attribution window. This applies to both campaigns and automated flows. Knowing this helps you trust the numbers you see. Next, go to the flows section. Flows usually generate the majority of email revenue. Click into any flow to see total revenue, revenue per recipient, and conversion rate. All right? Now campaigns. Open the campaigns section and review individual sends. Look at revenue, revenue per recipient, and conversion rate, not just open rate. Now, the analytics dashboard. This gives you a big picture view of total revenue driven by email over time. Use this to track growth trends, not single sends. One powerful move, compare flows versus campaigns. If flows are outperforming campaigns, focus on optimizing automation. If campaigns are lagging, your targeting or messaging likely needs work. Now, go deeper. Track revenue by segment, like engaged users, repeat buyers, or high-value customers. This shows which audiences actually generate profit. Finally, avoid these mistakes. Don't judge performance by opens alone. Don't ignore attribution windows, and don't mix cold audiences with engaged ones when analyzing revenue. And that's how to track e-commerce revenue in Klaviyo properly. Clear data, clear attribution, and smarter decisions. When you track revenue correctly, scaling becomes much easier.